Hi all, I am back with new tutorial. Yes, this is a new arrival of engine tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the struggle of programmer. Yes, if you are the programmer, you may be faced it or you may be a heard. Yes, as a software industry, many programmers having the more knowledge and more experience, but still they are struggling to do the program. Yes, that is the reality. I hope you accept that one. Consider as a programmer you may be a C sharp expert or you may be a Java master or you may be a Angular expert, you may be a top in PHP or you may be a Node. As other than you having the knowledge of React, JavaScript, Python and more and more on. Yes, we are master in all the programming languages mostly, but still we are struggling to do the program in one language or something. When the we are getting the task immediately, we are struggling to do the programmer, the one who having the less academic background, less academic career, he is doing well compared than us. Yes, it is a reality. Did you had a thought about these things, how they are doing it? Yes, think think how they are doing it. He is the one or few doing best compare than us. He is not having that much programming language too. We having the thousands of programming languages and we are masters in all programming languages. He having maybe a few. Still he is not master in that too. But still he is being a top in competition. How he is doing? Because he is a logical thinker. Whenever we are getting any task, we started to thinking about our hundreds of programming languages, but he is thinking about in logical. Once he done the logical thinking and logical assignment, he started to apply that assignment with the any one programming languages, because the syntax is on programming language is not complex nowadays. We having thousands of source in online to get into that. Yes, programming language is high end of knowledge. Accept, we have to accept it, but the logical thinking is a core of knowledge. If we are not strong in base, if we are be a strong in top floors, it's not the correct. Actually this what we are missing. We are not starting thinking about that logical, but he is thinking, that's the reason he is surveying than us. So how can we get that logical thinking? Logical thinking won't come by reading or listening. It will come only by the practice. We may read lots of logical program, we may write, but it won't come in that manner. We have to do by practice, then only it will start to come as a logical thinking. Yes, correct. We are going to start the logical training tutorials from our engine. You can start practice by upcoming engine logical tutorial videos. Yes, let's do follow and subscribe. All the best. Thank you. Be a best programmer.